jing hai buram ikitu ki badan ka jing duna ka dekod men halor ka si kerpang jongki bala jura ke malau snam ka office ka district social welfare officer ka ribhoi ringkat ka jing lang bat ka nongpo area women welfare association minta ka si kila rakhe ka ni ka si kerpang bala tepkom ka international day of person with disabilities ha ka jing lang ka bala pelong hadorbar hall sajer nongpo Wemily Kadongpo constituency uba Melbourne CM Ulawan man shimenta ko mukongsan bala sakhi lang ru da ka jingdon lang deputy commissioner ko Ribhoy Abilash Baronwal ka district social welfare officer ka kong NF Sun uba S Perbat manager ka district resources center on disabilities affairs Ribhoy bat haringkan ke jingdon lang ki kimi ki pa ki nonyalam bat kentup ki tay ki badan ka jingduna ha ki dikot men
is the society's inability to make it more inclusive that has led to the disability that they are experiencing. So the entire efforts from the government side, from the state administration side, and through the efforts does not feel limited by lack of certain abilities. Simultaneously, sir, the Government of India and Government of Meghalaya has started several programs to help them through the intervention of our DSWO. We are trying to make sure that each and everyone who is a person with disability and is entitled for whatever benefits, whether it is pension, whether it is scheme care, whether it is scholarship for the PWD students, we will have, and simultaneously unemployment allowance for the PWD youth. We are trying to make sure that each and everyone gets their due benefit. Kong Sun has ensured that everyone has been enrolled. It's just that some of these benefits are taking time to come up, but we can be very sure that none of the PWD will be left out in this. Simultaneously, we'll try and make sure that in whatever government procurement that we are doing, we'll also try and see that how we can take more and more products from those who are PWDs and still engaged in productive activities. Simultaneously, my request to Council is to ensure that those whose UDIDs are on the verge of expiring, and to make sure that from your office you take the initiative, conduct the assessment camps, and simultaneously make sure that those UDIDs are renewed in time. And simultaneously, recently, sir, we had a collaboration with Olimco, wherein we made sure that all the UDIDs, whatever aids and appliances they are eligible for, that they should get their required benefits. Apart from this, my simple message to everyone is that please consider this government and this administration, your local.
But kan kita mobile kan kita begini beliau. Kejinge yung Kristen, kalong baik pa, yang ni kibriu, ublay ulan hau kapang ulan tu. Udan lu berjerong, udan lu berlempat, dan bersengat, dan berekor, dan lu berhamstat, dan berguna hamstat, dan buyong bersetidaklah, dan beli bersetidaklah, dan bersau bersetidaklah, dan bobiang kita konten, dan bobiang Idan di bawah apa ini berduna di kota, idan di bawah apa ini semua bersekolah, idan di berduna dan teken di mana itu pakar dan teken asisten kerta, tidak mending tinggal asisten, tidak mending ibu ini tinggal dua puluh kau tidak. Ada juga jom itu start ini pembeli lokal. Kejadian demi kibru kepada ini nampak ban mudur lupa dari bihong bagi menolong kita. Upaya. Kaya ko beli ulat kau kapang. Aduh barang kaya ini. Aduh tubi pun ini bisa. Ini apa dia ni? Kejadian bagi dia beri untuk kalau lampu beti di sini kita. Kejadian demi dia beri itu. Lalu kita beri cukup bapak nok Kristen. Dalam kita berapa Bukit yang berburung mereka. Siapa kabar Iwan masalah percaya. Tidak cukup yang tidak cukup itu. Kalau tak kau yang semua ban air siap yang di peran sosial media juga dalam Singapura. Wat nom snowren, wat nom snow yang ada apa pengasah bahar yang disebut di Benjilo. Nang bahar yang dikerwat kurang cat ada di benci lawak perkat. Umur yang beliau jumpi, walau nikmat dengan nombor pasti. Tunjuk itu, perkat saya yang boleh pakai jalan itu. Kesorka tidak lengkap. Dari sini program nak perlu kapang ni ban kedua ban burung yang hiba. Kesorka peden, kesorka jalan ini ngerap hotel. Ini di nongyalang nagalian dongka di service center iba lain pensai ini nak kasih awal dan sebut di bertinggi nanti yang perlu kopor bertukar di berbatai ini scholarship to be given to individual untuk dan we scheme di dalam untuk dalam IGRAM sampai ini single sebut di bawah katalah naga social welfare department di supervisor di dunia anggaran di water di dunia berada di China Kita perlu kita support ban berjudul di yang kini peran nasional. Sehingga bagi peta di bawah judul nak rai